What's up, YouTube? This video is a little bit different. This video, we're gonna hop right into Sam.gov. I'm gonna get right into the juicy stuff. Listen, and I'll be honest with you guys, I'm selflessly promoting myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, because guess what? You need this. Sam.gov is an amazing database where you can make 6 to 7 figures a year in government contracting. If you didn't know that, this is a 100% free government website that people are having a lot of success in it. Actually, if I go to my community page, I just made a post here, but if you want to go just yesterday, as I'm reading this, now I can't say the person's name because he wants to stay anonymous, but we just had a student win 2 contracts on the same day inside of my community. We ain't playing around. All right, we are not playing around in here. We had about 9 or 10 contract wins in January. As you can see, y'all, our community is about to reach that cap. And you're like, Wesley, what do you mean cap? As you look right here to the bottom right, our community is at 178. If you don't know this, our community is capped at 250. I've done that on purpose because one, I'm one person, I'll be honest with you, and my team wants to, provide an amazing program for just those folks who want to lock in with me. And I highly suggest you grab those last spots before we're done. We'll probably be full, easily here in the next 30 days, 60 days. But anyway, I just let the community know this, and now I'm gonna let the public know a little bit. If you didn't know this, there's a lot of Sam.gov softwares. I'll be honest with you guys. People hit me up every single month about their Sam.gov software. And you know one thing I always ask them? I always ask them this one question. How many contracts have you won with your Sam.gov software? And no offense, if you're watching, every single one of who I've asked that question to, I get asked twice a month. They've all said 0. Let me show you guys something. So I'm logged into my account. Now, obviously, I'm kind of redacting my personal information here. But as you can see, I have an active registration. I'm logged into my account. And I'm going to scroll down. Now, again, I'm not big and bad. I get me wrong. I got mentors and coaches and people who out here with hundreds and hundreds of whatever contracts, But hey, your boy ain't playing around. I got 46 government contracts, 46 and counting. And I'm going to tell you one thing that you're probably missing if you've been interested in actually really doing government contracting at a high level. What you're probably missing is this amazing CRM system. So I've actually built an amazing system. Now, I publicly have never released this. I've never sent an email out. I've never told anyone about this except for my community. This is the first video I'm ever putting out about this software publicly. But I'm going to tell you this. You can't get in. This software, I've made a decision, and I'm going to say it publicly. This software is just for the community only, okay? So you got to be an active community member to get this. But I'm going to tell you about something I just updated. So I'm going to show you guys some behind the scenes on my company, right? Some behind the scenes. Now, if I go into here, I can see some things that I'm currently bidding on. Me and my team are working on some things that we submitted bids on, some things that we lost. And if I go to awarded contracts, I'm not going to do that here because I got a lot of my personal information on there. I want to keep that for my community. But if I stay in the active bid section, I can, see things that I'm currently adding. Now watch this, y'all. If I go to opportunities, if you didn't know this, Sam.gov has a public API key. Now I'm giving y'all the game, giving y'all the sauce right now. I went ahead and used my API key to incorporate into my software. So now I can do what? One, I can search for opportunities within my software so I can assign it to my team. Or 2, watch this. I think this is just so amazing. It blew my mind. I'll be honest with you guys. It took me a long time to figure out how to do it, but I finally did it. Watch this. I can go to Sam.gov. I can find, let's go a few pages in. I can find a good opportunity I want to bid on. If you're new to my processes, we bid on services first. We bid on products second. And we're looking for, now I may do a product, but let's see here. We're looking for some contracts here. Let's see here. What's a good one? Vertical carousels, water testing. Let's see if we can do some water testing. Let me open this up in a new tab. Yep, total small business. Okay, cool. Watch this. I'm going to copy the URL from this one. I'm going to go over to my CRM. I'm going to paste it. Watch this, y'all. Import. Boom. Create it. The dates here, the notice IDs here, everything's here. Now, the only thing that's not here, you still got to manually download the documents, but that's only a few clicks away. You still got to go here, and download these documents real quick. It's few clicks, not a big deal. Go here, update your documents here, or, upload your documents here. Boom. Now you have this Sam.gov solicitation on your CRM. So now you have all your documents here that you can preview. You have all your notes here. You have bid summary that populates. You have quote documents where you can actually, store your quotes. Now you can kind of see some of my secret sauce of what's needed to get a good quote. Also subcontractors. So this is where we store everything when it comes to our contracts. So now you're not picking up notebooks trying to figure out how to stay organized. You're not picking up, going to a Google Sheet or on your phone or, a notepad. People are just, organization is the biggest thing that you need in government contracting. And I think I've really solved it. And the thing is, y'all, I'll be honest with you, a lot of this site is still manual on purpose because there's still so much that you need to learn, to do, to grow in, to do. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and sign this to a team member right now. All right, boom. There we go. Signed. But listen, if you're interested in getting access, now I'll be honest with you, I'm my little selfish plug here. If you're interested in getting access, and as I say this, I'll pull up my winner circle here. If you're interested in getting access to our software, then you might want to grab one of the final spots in the community. You can do that by the link below in the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.